Let me see. Okay. Ah, I have an eyes on that one. Should I do this one? Which one should I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pick one. Oh, they're beautiful.
I'm going to pick that one.
Go for it.
It's fun when you see me doing my own nails. And it is... Okay, don't mess it up.
Choice can be made now, number 8, number 10. Well, I guess we can come back here when we do the next nail.
Yep, but we have all of them. You know what? It's really fun, and also it's hard to do for your dominant hand. And I can't see it. But I kind of know the designs that I'm going to put it on, so it's not. Is everybody like, oh my god, come on. Let's see. Fast forward. I can't fast forward. It's gonna do using a left hand. I'm training my right brain working right now. It's gonna be cool, but you know, everything is gonna come out exactly the way you want it. So I'm gonna do, here's a tip and trick when you're seeing that even though I'm doing it opposite hand, really good tip and trick. All you need to do is to get all the crystal really close and tight together. It's gonna come out exactly the way you want it. So now I'm gonna move it. It's like adjusting it now. Let me see if I can move it up. It's really cool. I think it's just the way we set up the camera for the nails go opposite way, and I'm doing no, I can't see it.
You can bring your nail back a bit to where you're comfy. I'll chase you.
Okay, so when you're doing the nails, make sure you are going back and forth like this one. It looks really good on my end here. It looks like it's straight, but actually it's crooked. So I'm going to turn it this way and move the crystal to where it's supposed to be. You must be watching me online like, Nancy, no, move up a little bit. It's a little bit crooked. Move it up. Hey, that's why I have you. I'm gonna using one more crystal. I'm not using the green opal. We should do like a challenge. It's okay, you can't get a video, but I can't fix my nails that way.
I know, like just put your hand where you feel most comfy and I'll chase you. But
then,
like, just don't jump around.
Then, baby, you have to understand that no place to be comfy. You just go with the flow, okay?
Well, you can, like, whatever you feel most comfy to do the nail, put it there.
No, that's how it is. It's never be comfy when you do left hand for the right hand. You understand? You're training your brain from the left brain working, and now you tell your brain like, okay, now left brain taking a break and right brain is working. So just go with the flow and don't complain. Life is too short. If you can't get a video, then just skip the video. We're doing a crystal, so we need to get like, it's like fun time instead of frustrated, you know? Look, I'm like, because if I'm, okay. Sorry, I'm just mumbling myself. All right, so it looks really good on this end right now. So now I'm gonna go in this way and check it to make sure that it's not going like all the way. You don't want to, all your work is so beautiful and a lot of work is going to be so crooked. You're gonna be so bad at myself. I don't care, cameraman, say whatever, because this is my nails. I'm wearing it and I'm gonna make the best out of it. Doesn't matter how long that take. You might take an hour. You're like, oh my goodness.
It's fine. You take as long as you need. I just keep you stable.
It will never gonna be stable, baby. You're on a camera. All right. So here is perfect. Okay. Great. So I am go ahead and flash here. And then I'm going to go ahead and key it under the LED light for 60 seconds.